Al-Bukhari 3294, narrated Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Once Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha asked the leave to see Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, in whose company there were some Qurayshi women who were talking to him and asking him for more financial support, raising their voice. When Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha asked permission to enter, the woman got up, quickly hurrying to screen themselves. When Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam admitted Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam was smiling. Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha asked, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep you in happiness always. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, I am astonished at these women who were with me. As soon as they heard your voice, they hastened to screen themselves. Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, O Allah's Apostle, you have more right to be feared by them. Then he addressed those women, saying, O enemies of your own souls, do you fear me and not Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam? They replied, yes, for you are a fearful and fierce man as compared with Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam. On that, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha, by him in whose hands my life is, whenever Satan sees you're taking a path, he follows a path other than yours. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3295, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, if any one of you roses from sleep and performs the ablution, he should wash his nose by putting water in it and then blowing it out thrice, because Satan has stayed in the upper part of his nose all the night. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.